Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering the JBL Tune Flex and preparing your phone. Plug the case in or confirm battery 50% so pairing doesn't drop. This prevents interruptions. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your device and close apps that use audio to reduce interference. Open the charging case. This wakes the earbuds and typically triggers pairing mode. You'll see a white or flashing LED. You do this first to make sure the buds are discoverable and ready for a stable connection. Now pair the earbuds with your phone. On your device, scan available Bluetooth devices, locate and tap JBL Tune Flex. You might see a pairing prompt. Accept it and any permissions for contacts or audio. This allows full control and media routing. If prompted to update firmware via the JBL app, do so. Firmware fixes connection reliability and sound issues. Make sure one earbud isn't paired to another device. If it is, disconnect there first to avoid conflicts. Finish by testing sound and microphone. Play music and make a quick call to confirm left/right balance and mic pickup. If audio skips or pairing failed, reset the earbuds by holding both buttons for about 10 seconds to clear stored connections. This solves most persistent issues. Once reset, reinitiate pairing. If problems persist, toggle your phone's Bluetooth or reboot the device. Intermittent interference or cached settings often go away with a restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.